the beam. Okay, so if I start with drawing this, I take a cantilever beam with an internal hinge and a propped support. Okay, so it will be a roller support, and there is a load P here, and there is another load P here. This distance is L by 2, and this distance is also L by 2. This is L by 3, and this is 2L by 3. Okay, this is point A. Suppose this is point A. This is, I think, B. This is point C. This is point D, and this is point E. So first we start calculating the reaction components. So in this question we have internal hinge at C, so the moment at internal hinge will be 0 from any side of the beam, like from right or left. Okay, so first I divide the beam into two figures due to the internal hinge reaction. So this is P, like this is R, and this is P, this is RE, and this is also R. Okay, this is point C, this is E, and this was point A, and there is a reaction RA. Okay, I'm not showing the moment now because we are taking only the shear force calculations. So for calculating the reaction, first we take this beam and we put MC is equals to 0, summation MC is equals to 0. So it will be RE multiplied by L minus P multiplied by L by 3. So RE will be L by 3 and the reaction will be 2L by 3, 2P by 3. Okay. Then for this beam, R plus P and RA is equals to 2P by 3 plus P, that will be 5P by 3. Okay, and A, the shear force will be positive as the reaction is upward, you can see. So you can use upward coordinate of 5P by 3, 5P by 3. Okay, then you move down to the point B at which there is a dip of P because P is downward. So 5P by 3 minus 5P by 3 minus P will be 2P by 3. Okay, so it will be 2P by 3. So up to point B to point D, so there is no shear force acting, so it will be constant along the point D. Okay, and there is a dip of P at point D. Okay, this is point B, this is point A. So the dip will be 2P by 3 minus P, it will be minus P by 3. So it will go to the minus P by 3 here, and it will be constant up to point E. So at point E there is an upward shear of P by 3 and will give us this ordinate. Okay, so this will be positive and this will be negative for this. This is your point C. You can show in the calculation also. So VA is equals to RA, and RA will be equals to 5P by 3. VB is equals to what? 5P by 3 minus P. It will be 2P by 3. VD is equals to 2P by 3 minus P, and it will be P by 3 negative, and V is equals to P by 3. Okay, so this is how we can solve the shear force for the propped beam shown in this figure. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and do comment and mention your topics so I can prepare your solutions. Thank you guys.